Hi there! It seems that technical progress has already reached its peak, but manufacturers do not get tired of surprising us by releasing more and more sophisticated devices. Today, technology is used in almost all areas of life, and now you will see the coolest machines that you can imagine. Super Servant 4. The company DYT Yacht Transport is the world's leading supplier of equipment for transporting yachts. Since it first began in 1987, the company has transported more than 13,000 motor and sailing yachts to various destinations around the world, offering their owners safe and easy access to many of the world's most desirable cruise sites. This semi-submersible vessel has stunning dimensions and therefore endless possibilities. It is 558 feet long and weighs more than 12,000 tons. Transported yachts float right inside the Super Servant 4, and specially trained divers ensure their safety. The deck of each boat is slightly above the vertical stabilizers and is protected by other special means. Many yacht owners are grateful to the company DYT Yacht Transport for the fact that when moving a great distance, they manage to avoid parting ways with their precious vessel. The NASA Crawler, formerly known as the Missile Crawler. This is one of the most powerful and incredibly noisy ground vehicles that carefully carries the space shuttles. This monster weighs 2,500 tons and is capable of carrying a weight of up to 6,000 tons. Total weight of the moving crawler with cargo is more than 8,000 tons. Its dimensions are also impressive. The length is 131 feet, width 114 feet, and height from 26 to 26 feet. Two diesel engines with 2,750 horsepower each lead this huge load. Cable-laying vessels Endeavour and Endurance. The diesel-electric vessels from the Dutch company Boskalis are truly multi-purpose vessels. These vessels can be outfitted for cable laying or a wide range of other tasks, including diving support, subsea rock installation, offshore construction support, salvage assignments, and even dredging operations. If you have ever had to call a relative who lives overseas on a wired telephone, then most likely the connection was provided by one of these cable layers. These vessels are capable of operating both in open ocean and in shallow waters. Each cable-laying vessel is what is called a turntable, with a capacity of 5,000 tons of cable. Cable is fed through tensioners in a giant monopile. This allows them to lay the cable exactly on a given route. A small robotic vessel, which is also located on these giants, delivers laid cables to the bottom, and then with the help of a special plow, buries ready-made communications in the sand. Mammoet Self-Propelled Modular Transporter. This is a platform vehicle with a large array of wheels. SPMTs are used for transporting massive objects such as large bridge sections, oil refining equipment, motors, and other objects that are too big or heavy for trucks. It is called modular because several such transporters can unite and work together. As SPMTs often carry the world's heaviest loads on wheeled vehicles, they are very slow, often moving at under 1 mile per hour while fully loaded. Some SPMTs are controlled by a worker with a handheld control panel, while others have a driver in the cabin. The linked SPMTs can be controlled from a single control panel. Mansinen 300. This is the world's largest port loader that exists in our world. It was created in 2017 by the Finnish port equipment company Mansinen Group. Its hydraulic mechanism is able to lift a container weighing more than 30 tons and carry it up to a distance of 165 feet, while the material handler itself will not budge. The crane can be equipped with both an electric and a 700 horsepower diesel engine. Thanks to the installed energy-saving system, Mansinen 300 saves up to 30% of electricity. The weight of the material handler is from 320 to 380 tons. Chassis can be both wheeled and tracked. The Belaz 75710 is an ultra-class haul truck manufactured in Belarus. As of 2016, it is the world's largest, highest payload capacity haul truck. This giant is 68 feet long, 26.8 feet high, 32.4 feet wide, and its weight is 360 tons. In this case, the load capacity of this monster is higher than its own weight. For example, in January 2014, this truck set a Guinness record for transporting cargo weighing 503 tons over a test site. The vehicle has 2 fuel tanks with a capacity of 740 gallons each and reaches a speed of up to 40 miles per hour. The price of such a monster is about $10 million, so it is produced one by one and only to order. SLJ-900 Segmental Bridge Launching Machine. It is intended for the construction of long bridges consisting of a large number of spans. On the shoulders of this machine shifted most of the work of moving, installing, and securing the finished segments of the web of the bridge on the pre-installed support. It should be noted that the construction of a bridge with the help of such a machine still requires manual labor, but its numbers and severity are incommensurably less to the technologies used previously. The Excavator Bagger 288 was built in 1978. Its creation took 5 years and $100 million. The length of this monster is 2 football fields and a height of about 330 feet. With its impressive size, it moves at a speed of about 0.4 miles per hour. This is very good considering that this titanium weighs 13,500 tons. To control the excavator, 4 operators are required to work simultaneously. This machine is able to work without stopping for days on end, extracting coal and other natural materials. The Japanese company Kobelco Construction Machinery presented its novelty not only on the market of commercial vehicles, but also for the Guinness Book of Records. The SK3500D model excavator is capable of operating at a height of 215 feet, which is a complete world record. The equipment is designed for the demolition of skyscrapers and other high-rise buildings. The novelty is designed on the basis of a crawler crane with a lifting capacity of 200 tons. The total weight of the machine, 328 tons. The SK3500D is equipped with a 315 horsepower diesel engine. On the 3-section boom, special equipment can be mounted such as nozzles for cutting, crushing, and dismantling structures. At the arrowhead, there is a video camera for the operator, who directs the process of working from the cab, as well as a spray hose for spraying water to prevent dust from rising. The 8000 Electric Circular Saw. Built to process large wood, the 8000 series comes with a 60-inch Simmons circular saw and a 7-inch 56-ton splitter cylinder. At the beginning of a huge log, it is fixed and cut with the circular saw. Then the logs are divided into 4 parts using a special device. Sitting in a convenient cab, it is possible to manage with ease this monster with just one hand with the help of a joystick. The 8000 Electric Circular Saw is equipped with a 127 horsepower diesel engine. Bell's Machining manufactures this machine. The most difficult to process are logs from large, dense trees, which are quite difficult to cut with normal convenient equipment. But in Bell's Machining, they say that only with the help of the 8000 Electric Circular Saw will it be possible to get the highest quality logs. Here's how to cut a tunnel in a stone rock, according to the forces of the largest tunnel boring machine in the world, called Berta. The cost of this incredible machine is more than $80 million, and its height is as tall as a 5-story building. To transport Berta from Japan to her destination, she was dismantled into 41 parts. The weight of the heaviest one amounted to 900 tons. She was supposed to pave a traffic interchange near Seattle. Starting work in 2013, it almost immediately broke down, and for many months it had to be repaired, recycled, and even modified. But today, she has successfully completed the task. That's all for today. Hit like if you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.